Welcome all of you in second part of final account. In this part now we are going to cover profit and loss account, how the profit and loss account works. Earlier in my last or previous video, I shared with you how the trading account work and what the means of the final account. So this video for all these students, those who are going to appear in the management BBA, MBA and commerce. So let's see what the means of profit and loss accounts and what their format. I, Dr. Anil Kumar Tiwari from School of Management, SAYS University, Bhopal, going to explain. Now, this is the second part of the final account. Now, first of all, we'll discuss profit and loss account means what? For non-corporate business organization, profit and loss account is the second part of income statement. It is prepared to know the net loss business during a particular period. Every businessman has to spend on expenses other than manufacture or purchase of goods, which are called indirect expenses. There can be other expenses except sales. So gross profit or gross loss is adjusted keeping in view these indirect expenses and the other incomes to find out the net profit and net loss. Now this is the format of profit and loss account. Now, this format now basically divide into the two parts. The part one is known as the debit side and part two is known as credit side. So in this debit side, what comes? All the indirect expenses. And in debit side, what comes? Incomes rather than sales, except the sales. So what we mention here? We mention here in the first, here maybe mentions to gross loss BD. It means what? What the loss occurred or arise because of trading account. What the loss trading account is showing. This loss we would mention here with the BD. It means brought down. So this trading account loss, gross loss, we would be transferred to the profit and loss account debit side. If this credit and the trading account is showing what? Gross profit, it would be transferred to credit side of the P&L. That's why we have mentioned here the BD. BD, it means the brought down. What now? Next, what this account covers? This account now covers the establishment charges, to administrative charges, to selling and distribution expenses, and the financial charges. And in the credit side, what we mentioned, other incomes, for example, commission received, discount received, any abnormal profit which comes except the sales we mention here. And after comparing this debit and credit side, if the debit side is more than the credit side, what we will get? We will get this net profit, or it would be transferred to the capital account in balance sheet. If this credit side is more than the debit side, so we'll get the net profit. If this debit side is more than the credit side, what will get? Net loss. Or this loss, again, it would be transferred to the capital account in balance sheet. So this is the performer of profit and loss account. My dear friends, I'm going to share with you this profit and loss account is just like a nominal account. Nominal account, what the rules? All the expenses and losses are debited and all the incomes and all the incomes and profit are credited. Similarly, this profit and loss account now it works. All the expenses and losses are debited and all the incomes and profit are credited. So this is the performa profit and loss account. In next video, I will tell you how we can use this performa to preparing the final account or profit and loss account with the numerical. So thank you all of you. Thank you very much for watching this video. In next video, we will meet soon. Thank you.